Red na ba agad kung pera lang? Pera lang ang contribution ni husband or partner sa business? I got this comment from Edna Lynn Caperla. Sabi niya, what if po yung isa always nag-iisip about business, nagpa-plan about everything, tapos yung isa parang gusto niya lang na mag-provide financially? It's okay po ba yon o red flag siya sa pagnenegosyo? Well, anak, it's hard to pinpoint because your spouse or partner may have his reasons. If you don't talk about it, this can eventually become a red flag. Let me tell you why. Like you, my mentee's husband provided all the capital for their laundry shop business, but he did not participate sa operations. Soon, problems started. Her husband began questioning her spending decisions without understanding the business needs. For example, magtatanong siya, bakit ganyang kamahal ang detergent? Diba? When someone only provides money but does not engage in planning, they will feel disconnected and they will start questioning decisions that they do not understand. Kaya anak, ito ang lesson. Sit down together and define your roles clearly. If your partner truly only wants to be a silent investor, then put it into writing. Dapat malinaw at documented para walang gulo sa huli. Pero kung totoong partnership ito, dapat parehong committed. Hindi lang sa pera, pati sa desisyon at sa direksyon ng negosyo. Otherwise, resentment will kill your business before competition does. Hope nakatulong ito ha, Edna Lynn, the business-minded Pinoy.